everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 695 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today, I'm about to put the most expensive product I have ever put on my lips. This is so crazy. This is the QMS Medi Cosmetics Lip Line Corrector. And don't worry, I didn't actually spend $200 on a lip line corrector. I got this as part of my December 2019 Boxy Luxe box. So if you haven't seen my unboxing of that, I will of course have that linked down below. But that's the $50 version of the BoxyCharm box, which comes every season, I think. Is that it? Every 4 times a year? This was my first time ever getting the Boxy Luxe. But wow, I got some really high-end products, but this is the most high-end because this has a retail value of $200. And this is supposed to help with the aging around your lips, like the lines that happen. I am lucky that right now I don't have any of those lines, and maybe if I use a product like this, I'll prevent them from developing. But this is also supposed to plump and hydrate the lips, and those are two things that I really need for my lips. And let me tell you, I tried to do research on this product and I could not find that much about it or that much information on how to apply it. So I'm kind of going to be doing a bit of a trial. Like, first off, I don't even really, know how to open it. Okay, this is how you open it. You twist it. And I'm just going to apply this right to my finger to apply it. I don't want to apply this to like a face cloth or anything like that because this is a $200 serum. I am not going to waste a drop of this, even if it's absorbing into my finger. That's better than just wasting it on a tissue or a Q-tip or something like that. So that's how I'm going to apply it. I'm going to start out by, I think someone told me that they pumped theirs a bunch of times and it didn't come out, so I was prepared for that. But no, this actually just came out pretty easily for me. That's probably more than I need, but let's see. Seems to be like a thin serum texture. It's supposed to go on the top of the lips, so I'm just applying it like a little outside of my lips and directly on my lip. Okay. Yeah, this amount here is probably the amount for 3 applications. Oh yeah, I can feel it absorbing pretty quickly, like a serum should. I'm trying to look to see if there's any like difference, any tingling. I don't feel any sort of plumping, tingling effect. Let's see. Checking if there's a scent. I'm really not getting any fragrance or scent to this, which is good. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit more and apply it to my bottom lip because I definitely need hydration and plumping there. Like right away, it kind of just feels like I'm applying my facial serum to my lips. Like it's just as hydrating as like my night creams or any of my lotions are on my lips. My bottle actually doesn't even have ingredients on it. Okay, so now I have the serum applied to my top and bottom lips, and I honestly don't really feel anything. I don't feel any sort of tingling, any discomfort. It feels, like I said, as if I just did my skincare routine. And when I do my skincare routine, if it's not like a strong, like prescription retinol or something that I'm applying to my skin, I will put my lotion like over my lips too, since I do have such dry lips. So that's what this feels like, where it's like, it feels a little bit moisturized, but it's not like I have a lip balm or anything like that on. It feels pretty much like there's nothing on my lips anymore. So it did absorb pretty quickly and it completely absorbed. And I have pretty dry lips to begin with. So my lips are not fully, completely hydrated right now either. And let's see, as for the lip line, it looks the same. There's no like change to my lip line. Like it didn't get red or irritated or anything like that. Sometimes that happens with plumping lip balms, like my lip line will get red and kind of like uneven, which I do not like the look of, but this actually didn't do anything to my lip line. So I have a little bit left on my finger. I am just gonna go ahead and apply that all over my lips again. So I just feel like I applied a lot to my lips. So this is the second layer. And right now, it's still absorbing, but my lips are definitely feeling a lot more hydrated after adding that second layer. They look more smoothed out, like I have less lines in my lips. They look fully hydrated now. But as far as my lips being plump and bigger, I don't see any difference. So this is the type of product that you need to use for prolonged use. So since it applied very nicely, very comfortably on me, I have no issues with how it feels on my lips, how it absorbed, like it absorbed fully. As I'm talking, I'm not getting any taste to this at all. So it's very comfortable, very easy. I will definitely continue using this. I would love for it to give me more plump, hydrated lips that don't dry out so quickly. So I am going to start incorporating this into my skincare routine. So if you are interested in my results after prolonged use, I can let you know about that. Just let me know in the comments down below if that's something you would want to know about, and I can do a check-in, maybe in a vlog or something, to let you know how this has been performing. But I'm surprised that this is a $200 product. I like it. I think it performed well, but I'm just not sure what it's actually going to do for me. So if you've tried this out, I would love to hear your thoughts on it in the comments down below. As I was doing my research, I did hear that some people that like had the wrinkles on their lips already saw really great results of this really minimizing the look of those wrinkles. So if that happened to you, let me know in the comments down below, because I would love to hear just how effective this can be. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.